Какая-то, походу, вечеринка сейчас будет. Здесь такая вот территория. Интересно, всякие стульчики, столики. В общем, это такая турбаза с разными столиками, с беседками, с палатками на островке, на берегу реки. Вообще очень прикольно все выглядит.
Later. Alright, he's kind of tight.
You prepare to what? To party?
So yeah, just getting ready for a party. We're a little bit early though. We need someone to get the fire going, get the barbecue going, get some music on. And some more people to arrive and some more beer.
Я забыл сказать, что это Майк из Англии. И тут вообще люди с разных стран, так что должно быть забавно. So what are you doing? Frying. In Vietnam, what?
Chai.
Chai?
Yeah.
My name is Ilya. What's your name?
My name is Hao.
How?
Hao, yeah. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Be careful, it's so hot.
Shrimps inside? Yeah. Это с креветкой, как пельмени с креветкой. Very good. Вообще это называется homestay. Why you lay like this?
I like this hammock so much.
It should be upper than like this.
Go over there.
Go together.
Ilya, you're the barbecue king, man.
Huh? What?
Barbecue king.
Ah, barbecue?
Give me, I record you. Okay. I can't climb there. Try.
When I drunk, it can be funny. Come.
Wait, don't lift me. Now, don't move it.
Put your leg.
Carry us or not?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
This is just one person.
Come.
Wait. Don't panic me. I really scared, hated this shit.
Just lay first. Why you don't trust me?
Whoa. Yay.
So let's.
Don't need to move it.
So what you can tell about this?
It's amazing.
Yeah, really cool. It is
nice.
very
I've
interesting
never been
place.
here. There's a river over there.
Yeah. Тут фотографы ходят, нас
Can you
фотографируют.
send me photo?
Can you push to make your scary?
No one else is getting up there tonight now, are they? That's it.
I beg you. Let's take
No,
pictures.
more.
Wow, so
Oh, normal.
There.
Push.
No, don't push.
Push.
Please, I beg you.
Yeah. Very good.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I really
Come on.
I don't like this.
Look.
No!
No, very good. Yeah.
Fuck!
No, don't.
Don't make the record
What?
of me! I don't like this. I scared it.
Why?
I pee in my pants.
Pee?
I pee already!
Oh, old man.
Nice. Amy, what?
Oh. Так, я замариновал мясо дома. Сейчас буду жарить, короче, мяско. Возьму пакетик свой с мясом. Здесь вот уже разгораются угли. Сейчас пойду принесу мясо и, пожалуй-ка, жарить буду, а то что-то я проголодался. Хоть столько народу, каждый что-то принес. Я не знаю, конечно, кто что там принес, но я думаю, что уже я могу, в принципе, достать.
So we have a chef here. Why shy?
Yeah, why shy? Look, you're in front of the camera now. You can't be shy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Slovenia.
Slovenia.
Slovenia, yeah. Do you know where Slovenia is? Hungary. What is the food there? Only yeah, middle of you. How old is
She got married 2 years ago.
How old is she?
I'm being urged to say something, Tills.
Well, when he eats,
Being
he
urged to
proves.
say something, so
Yeah.
everybody's attention.
Ảnh lúc nào
Gotta
cũng
say
không
something.
nhõm vậy.
Attention, attention, we need
Everybody, just
attention.
two seconds. Just 2 seconds. So
Tướng là tướng ăn.
everybody keeps thanking me for this, but without you lot, there wouldn't actually be anything. So thank you to you lot for coming. And the only reason I'm doing it is to just bring everybody together, like exactly what you're doing now. So no matter where we're from, no matter what our background is, our culture, just coming together and having some fun. So thank you to you guys. Happy New Year to the Vietnamese, and yeah, and thank you for making this possible. That's it. Enjoy it and have a good time.
Why don't you say something?
What? What do you want me to say?
Are you happy?
Oh, yeah, I just did my speech. Yeah, of course. Very.
But this is a
Very.
special speech.
Okay.
Ở cái wifi là gì nhỉ? Bạn nhỉ?
Nhà bên sông 0307.
Nhà bên sông 030718. Nhà bên sông
For both of them, yeah,
030718.
because one of them is really slow. One of them is not.
Có một
working.
cái mà mạnh nhất là tên của cái mạnh nhất là gì nhỉ?
Nhà bên sông Vết Thương.
Là bên sông. Xong là 030718 030718 030718 030718. Remember it. You get this?
Ох, наелись мяса, объелись. Чисто мое мясо вообще на расхват пошло. Прямо все по кусочку и съели. Ничего не осталось. You fry bread? А сейчас зажигаем кострище. Здесь вот.
Number 2, why do they have balloons on them? That's what I was
Lại nha.
We've got to do our traditional. I don't think we've had an event yet.
Try to subscribe and like his channel. He's a very good man, so love him. Thank you so much.
And follow and
Follow him. Okay.
Exactly.
Nó không ở Việt Nam nữa đâu.
Russian old style dance, you know?